Alright guys, so we are here. I haven't seen the party bus in a minute. Let me show you my favorite empanadas right here. If you're ever in this area, go to this place and get your empanadas. Good, excellent empanadas right there. What we got here? Now, some places are usually crowded with a lot of people on the weekend, like that place right there. I got the normal dancing in the street here. Let's see what we can catch here. Probably not too much. Can we catch a lot? Look at that, break dancing. That break dancing never go out of style down here. All right. Going over here. This is new. That is it. Okay. Oh, the flower festivals. Okay, it's coming up soon. Okay. I don't know how long that's been there, but that hasn't always been there that I remember. Still kind of early for the clubs.
Buenas noches, amigos.
The police presence is pretty thick out here tonight. I wonder what's going on. Maybe it's that time of year. Not sure why it's so much police present. There's normally a lot of police present anyway. Usually when there's a game, but not sure what's going on tonight. These people make me want to eat, and I'm not even hungry. Keep in mind, this is the Thursday, which is amazing to me. I mean, you can just smell the food. There's just so much food everywhere, outside, inside. I'm not even hungry. And I'm thinking of buying something to eat. We'll see. Look at all the food right there. Look at the food right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh no, I'm good. I'm good. More food, tacos. Tacos in a minute. There you go. Granted, it's not as packed as it usually is on a weekend night. There's a lot of people still out here. Jenny Lau's not open on they might have changed the name. Cheney? I don't know what's up, but it's closed anyway. I don't know, is it open or just closed tonight? We'll see. All right, this is on the other side of the street here. Let's walk over here. Yeah, a lot of places, again, normally packed on a Friday night, Saturday night. Not so packed tonight. But again, still a lot of people on this street. And you still can feel the energy of it, no matter what night of the week you're on. Everything always open just about every night, so. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video, but again, I just want to give you an idea of what a Thursday night looks like if you decide to stay in Laureles. 8 o'clock at night, 8:30, well, by 8:30 right now. Favorite juice place right there, and ice cream. Anyway, let me go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. That's my favorite dessert right there, cakes. Cheap cake. Well, I haven't brought anything since I've been here. I love these cakes here. Look at that. Man. No sweets, no sweets, no sweets. All right, let me go ahead and end this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.